It generates something like a copy or output. You say, did you follow this rule that I had? And it verifies that it did not, or it lies to you. So everybody knows CRM is customer relationship management. People call it a system of record. But you mentioned a system of action for social. What does that look like? And like, what are the outcomes of a system of action?
Yeah, so the way that we built our platform fundamentally was around agents and humans. And so since the very beginning, and all these companies were building AI SDRs and things like this. And we fundamentally thought humans are always going to be a part of go-to-market. People trust people. And so we built this platform with that in mind, agents and humans. And those two components have to be able to work really well together. HubSpot, you could think of HubSpot as like a system of record. It has system of action with marketing automation and email, but no one had built a system of action that was deeply integrated into your internal context, which has been a big theme today. And so when we think of system of action, it plugs into the internal workflows. For example, if I popped onto your calendar to meet with you, you being the rep of your territory, you're the rep of choice for that meeting. Basically, our platform will go connect you with that individual on LinkedIn, right? And then it will allow you to send a message, either human in the loop or automated. So you have control over how you interact with your audience, and it allows you to spend your time engaging with people publicly and then capturing a lot of that with basically social automation deeply integrated into the workflows of your business.
The thing I think I like most is like the control and the way that you reference making sure. It generates something like a copy or output. You say, did you follow this rule that I had? And it verifies that it did not, or it lies to you, right? AI is going to be more transformative. It improves every day, but there's this concept of like proof, validation, enforcement, right? We just did a survey that found 90% of sales teams have a defined process and only 36% of people actually follow it, which means that 2/3 of your team is improvising.
It's as simple as this, which is you should be able to create workflows that understand whether you've met with this person before, whether you already know this person, whether this person has engaged with your website or materials, right? Understanding the history of that person and their company in the context of how valuable they could be to your company. And then from there, you can start to make some decisions about what should be automated and what should have humans in the mix. So I'll give you a really simple example. When someone books a meeting with me, we qualify to determine how good of a fit would they be for our business. And if it hits a certain threshold, I'm automatically connecting with them and I'm automatically starting that engagement process. A much more complicated scenario would be mid-deal funnel, right? Someone's gone cold on me. I don't know what's happening. I haven't been able to get a second meeting on the calendar. That's where there's a lot of human nuance and context and approach and strategy of like, just because AI wrote it doesn't mean that that's the personality of how you sell. And so that's a scenario where we'll trigger that action and allow you to edit it, right? Approve it, send it, or cancel it. So you have full control over that scenario. This is also where like Super becomes very valuable because like you said, you serve up tasks for people. Even if all they have to do is click approve, they don't do it. And so having, a system that allows for, control over the enablement process is a really important part of the human in the loop. I think the most important thing in GTM that we're seeing now is like, how do you make sure your humans are spending time on the right stuff?
Yeah.
And the right stuff is go build relationships in the comment section on social. Be a human, don't use AI. Nothing in our platform allows you to do that, right?
Yep.
And that's why it's our logo, because it's you, right? It's your identity, your fingerprint, the @ That is a human asset.
Still mind blown by that. I mean, it's so obvious now, but somebody's going to see that and be like, wow, I didn't put that together either.
I appreciate that.